Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but we did not do an intro for this video, so I just wanted to let you know what we're doing. So my brother came out with the idea of pranking Kevin, and my back's been hurting. So basically the prank is going to be that he cracked my back so wrong that the pain is going from my back to my stomach, which is very possible, guys, because just sleeping on my back sometimes or turning a certain way without being careful, you feel it on your stomach. Anybody that has been pregnant, I'm sure you know. But I have my brothers over, so I have my baby brother and my sister here as well, and they're all gonna be in the video one way or another. But I hope you enjoy it. This is my first prank, by the way. It's my first prank on him. I have many in mind, but obviously I'm not gonna say anything. But yeah, it went pretty good, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And it's
Are you okay? Kevin! I cracked up this bag! She's crying on the floor! Cause she was like, give me a massage, so I cracked her back. Are you okay?
Babe, what's wrong? Babe, what's wrong? Bro, why would you do that? She's pregnant. Are you serious?
She wanted.
Just because, like, you know you're stronger than her, why are you doing that?
She said her back was hurting, so I cracked her back.
Like, how?
I grabbed it from here, and then I did that.
Are you serious? That's the dumbest shit you could do, bro. Why would you even, like, grab her like that? Bro, just go to the living room. Are you okay, babe? What's wrong? What hurts? What hurts? Like, why would you let your brother do that?
I didn't. I didn't think he was gonna do anything. I was just saying my back was hurting.
And he did it with all his strength?
Yeah.
For real, what he's screaming?
He just picked me up. Like, he tried to pick me up and he did that. So like I just felt this.
What the fuck, man? You need to go to the hospital? I'm not playing. You need to go to the hospital? I'm not playing.
No, I'm laughing because he's talking.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What do you mean you're okay? Like, is the baby okay?
It just hurts.
What hurts?
He's moving. I'm fine. My skin hurts, but I think I'm fine.
Does anything inside hurts? What, he grabbed you like this and he squeezed the shit out of you?
No, he grabbed me like this and I tried to do that. No, he grabbed me like this and I tried to do that.
How do you know the baby's gonna get hurt?
We'll see.
How do you know the baby's gonna get hurt? Because both of you guys get hurt at the same time. If you get hurt, the baby gets hurt. Don't ever do that again. Bro, don't ever do that again. What the fuck is that? I was fucking eating. Do that again. What the fuck is that? I was fucking
For watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys thought it was funny. I will do more pranks. My due date is soon, actually next month. So we've all been in quarantine for like the past 3 months almost, or 2. And it's been very stressful. We've been moving. We moved actually already. And it's just a lot's been going on. So been getting ready for the baby as well. So I haven't really like put thought into making a video. But I promise I'm gonna try this time to actually stay consistent. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Show me some love, you guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.